Welcome everyone to Investor Web, the online haven for those who seek to make informed decisions for a prosperous future. Our aim is to provide you with the knowledge and tools you need to navigate the intricate world of finance, personal development, and more. We're all about empowering you to make the best decisions to help you plan for a future that's as bright as it can be. Today, we're focusing on the vibrant and transformative period of life that is your 20s. This is a time of growth, exploration, and setting the foundation for the decades to come. We've put together a list of the top 10 things you should prioritize during this critical decade. From health to financial literacy, from building a network to understanding the value of time, we're covering it all. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey of discovery. In today's video, we will unravel the 10 things you must prioritize in your 20s. The first priority in your 20s should be your health. That's right, health, both physical and mental. We often take it for granted, especially in our younger years, but it's a foundation upon which everything else is built. Let's talk about physical health first. Regular exercise, a balanced diet, sufficient sleep, these are the building blocks. They keep your body in top shape and your mind sharp. They boost your energy levels and overall well-being. Now, let's move on to mental health. It's just as important, if not more. Stress, anxiety, depression, these are real issues and they can take a toll. So it's crucial to take time out for self-care. Meditation, yoga, or simply a walk in the park can do wonders. And let's not forget regular health checkups. Prevention is always better than cure. So don't neglect your health. Remember, health is wealth. Second on the list is education and skill development. In your 20s, your mind is like a sponge, ready to soak up all the knowledge and skills the world has to offer. But why is education so crucial at this stage? Well, it sets the foundation for your future. It equips you with the tools necessary to navigate through the complexities of life. It's not just about the formal education, though. Continuous learning and skill acquisition are equally important. In this rapidly evolving world, new skills and competencies become necessary almost overnight. Learning to adapt and acquire these skills can be your ticket to staying ahead of the curve. It's like investing, but instead of money, you're investing in yourself. And let's not forget, the more skills you have, the more opportunities you'll attract. So don't stop learning, don't stop growing. Equip yourself today for the opportunities of tomorrow. Thirdly, prioritize financial literacy. Understanding the ins and outs of finance, investing, and money management can be your ticket to a secure future. It's not just about earning money, but also about effectively managing it, multiplying it, and safeguarding it. Consider this: without financial literacy, you're like a ship without a compass in the vast ocean of economy, prone to making errors that could lead to potential financial mishaps. On the other hand, being financially literate equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions, to understand financial risks and opportunities, and to navigate the complexities of various financial products and services. Investing, for instance, isn't simply about throwing money into a stock and hoping for the best. It's about understanding market trends, analyzing business performance, and making strategic decisions. Similarly, effective money management isn't just about saving, it's about budgeting, controlling expenses, and ensuring that your money works for you. Knowledge is power, especially when it comes to finances. Fourthly, focus on building a strong network. The importance of networking cannot be overstated. We live in an interconnected world where opportunities often come from the most unexpected places. Whether it's for personal growth, career advancement, or entrepreneurial pursuits, a robust network can open doors that might otherwise remain closed. Building relationships is an art. It's about more than just collecting contacts, it's about fostering meaningful connections. It's about being genuinely interested in others, engaging in thoughtful conversation, and offering value where you can. Remember, networking is a two-way street. It's not about what you can get, but also about what you can give. And let's not forget the power of online networking. Platforms like LinkedIn can be invaluable tools for connecting with like-minded individuals and industry leaders. So don't shy away from reaching out and making those connections. In the grand scheme of things, remember this: your network is your net worth. Fifth on our list is personal development. This is one aspect of life that is often overlooked but holds immense value. It's about nurturing a broad spectrum of skills and qualities that not only enhance your professional capabilities, but also enrich your personal life. Personal development can be anything from learning a new language to improving your public speaking skills or even conquering your fears. It's a journey of self-discovery where you get to know yourself better, understand your strengths and work on your weaknesses. It's about stepping out of your comfort zone, pushing boundaries and challenging yourself. By investing time and effort in self-improvement, you'll find that you're better equipped to face life's challenges, make informed decisions, and ultimately lead a more fulfilling life. Remember, the most valuable investment you can make is in yourself, so don't hesitate. Start today, start now. Invest in yourself. Sixth, seek out a mentor. An invaluable asset in your 20s is finding an experienced mentor who can guide you through the intricacies of life. A mentor is not just some random person you meet at a networking event. They are someone who has walked the path you're embarking upon and has amassed wisdom along their journey. Think of a mentor as your personal GPS, guiding you through life's winding roads. They are there to offer advice, to help you navigate challenges, and to provide encouragement when you need it most. They've made mistakes, learned from them, and are now in a position to help you avoid similar pitfalls. Having a mentor doesn't mean you're incapable or weak. It signifies your hunger for growth and your willingness to learn. It's about standing on the shoulders of giants to see further and clearer. So in your 20s, prioritize finding a mentor who can help you maximize your potential. A mentor can guide you through the labyrinth of life. Seventh, start building credit. You may be asking, why is credit so important? Well, in the world of finance, your credit score is your reputation. It's a reflection of your financial responsibility and trustworthiness. A good credit score can open the doors to better interest rates on loans, higher credit limits, and even more favorable terms on a lease. But how do you build good credit? Start by paying your bills on time every time. Late payments can negatively impact your score. Also, try to keep your credit card balance low. It's recommended to use no more than 30% of your credit limit. And if you don't have a credit card yet, consider getting one. Responsible use of a credit card is a great way to establish a credit history. Remember, building credit is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time and consistency. Good credit opens doors. Eighth, understand the value of time. Time, my friends, is the most valuable resource you have in your 20s, and indeed throughout your life. It's the only thing you can't get more of, no matter how hard you try. So it's crucial to manage it wisely. Think of time as a currency. Every day you're given 24 hours to spend. How you choose to invest this time can have a profound impact on the course of your life. Time spent learning a new skill, building relationships, or working on your health is an investment in yourself, on the other hand. Time wasted on unproductive activities is like throwing money down the drain. Remember, time lost can never be regained, so make every second count. Prioritize tasks that align with your goals and delegate or eliminate the rest. Time is the most valuable resource. Ninth, learn from failures. In the grand scheme of life, it's not about avoiding failures, but embracing them as essential components of your journey. In your 20s, you'll stumble, you'll fall, and you'll fail. But remember, each failure carries valuable lessons. Each mistake is a stepping stone towards success. Imagine if Thomas Edison had given up after his first few attempts at inventing the light bulb. He failed 1,000 times, but he didn't see it that way. To him, he had simply found 1,000 ways that didn't work. That's the mindset we should embrace. Failures are opportunities to learn, to grow, to innovate. They're not dead ends, but detours pointing you towards the right path. So don't be afraid to take risks, to step out of your comfort zone, to fail, because every failure brings you one step closer to success. Failure is not the opposite of success. It's part of it. Finally, always remember to have fun and enjoy your journey. Your 20s are indeed a pivotal time, a time to prioritize your health, invest in your education and skills, and cultivate financial literacy. It's also a time to develop a network, focus on personal development, find a mentor, and build credit. Understanding the value of time and learning from failures are equally crucial. But amidst all these responsibilities, never forget to relish the moments, make memories, and truly live. The key is balance. Work hard, but also play hard. Learn, grow, invest in yourself, but also take time to breathe, to enjoy the present. Your 20s are not just about preparing for the future, they're also about living and loving the now. Thank you for being with us today on Investor Web. Don't forget to subscribe for more insightful content like this. Until next time, stay informed and keep investing in your future.